Branches of physics. Main branches of physics are number 1 mechanics, number 2 heat, number 3 sound, number 4 light, number 5 electricity and magnetism, number 6 atomic physics, number 7 nuclear physics, number 8 plasma physics, and number 9 geophysics. In the next section, let's discuss all. Number 1 mechanics, how it can be defined as it is the study of motion of objects, its causes and effects. Number 2 heat, it deals with the nature of heat, mode of transfer and effect of heat. Number 3 sound, it can be defined as it is the study of physical aspects of sound waves, their production, properties and applications. Number 4 light, it is the study of physical aspects of light, its properties, working and use of optical instruments. Number 5 electricity and magnetism, it can be defined as it is the study of charges at rest and in motion, their effects and their relationship with magnetism. Number 6 atomic physics, it can be defined as it is the study of structure and properties of atoms. Number 7 nuclear physics, it can be defined as it deals with the properties and behavior of nuclei and particles within the nuclei. Number 8 plasma physics, it can be defined as it is the study of production and properties of ionic state of matter, the fourth state of matter. Number 9 geophysics, it is the study of internal structure of earth. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like my channel.